and then
Thank you.
start it
I
up.
don't want to take the space.
This button here, yeah. Press,
Oh my gosh.
press again, and hold a bit.
Wow.
Go like that.
Oh my god. That's so cool. Thank you.
You see that smile on his face? Go on. Yeah, and press and hold it a bit. No. Like that.
Pleasure to meet you. I've watched all your videos. It's so nice. Can I take a photo?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's so nice to meet you. All the best. Take care.
Thank you.
RJ, can I get a photo?
Yeah, go on.
I'm from Australia.
Are you?
Thanks, man. All these parts are carbon fiber.
Yeah, yeah.
Looks sharp.
to you. No, that's the standard R.
I've got a GT.
It's beautiful. I tried the GT.
My fork seals have gone for the second time.
Really?
Sorry, I've just been dealing with it just now.
Who's your dealer?
I got it from the Hemel Hempstead.
Yeah, they're very good usually.
Pardon?
They're very good. I'm fine, how are you? Yeah, nice weather. Yeah, beautiful. Nice bike.
Hey, you do have a face. You do have a face.
Yeah, no, I'm not that bad, you know, that I... Where are you heading to?
I was going to Shoreditch, but I saw you go past, so I had to say hello.
Oh, that's nice. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Nice bike, mate.
Thank you very much.
You going that way?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Cheers. What's happening there?
There's a festival going on by the museums and Imperial College.
Is it just music?
Music and some things for the kids, for family as well. Just
Okay.
books, other things related to science. And
So
all
there's
this.
no motorbikes or cars?
No, nothing for me or you. Alright,
Okay,
cheers.
cheers.
A lot of millions of people.
Yeah. Sunshine, drink, perfect.
Oh my god, I love you. Am I on YouTube? Am I on YouTube?
You want to be on YouTube?
Yes.
Yeah, say hello.
Hello. I love you. I just watched you.
Cheers.
Thank you. You're doing great.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I love this bike.
Yeah, cheers.
Take a picture.
So you are you on YouTube or you just watch YouTube?
I'm just watching you.
Yeah?
No YouTube, just watching you.
Okay.
Yeah, I literally passed me. I thought I thought that's our to catch up. Well, Happy New Year.
Yeah, same to you.
I actually texted you a week ago asking about what sort of mods you've been using
Did you?
on Messenger.
Do you want to see it now?
So,
Do you want to see the mod?
yeah, we could, yeah.
Turn left. You are very kind.
No problem, mate.
If all of them were like you, our life would be so much easier.
Don't get them, mate.
Yeah, no,
Don't
you
get
do
'em.
actually.
I've done 3 years doing this on a motorbike.
Yeah.
They don't like us.
No, but actually it's getting better.
It's getting better.
Just now, somebody just moved their mirror for me as well.
Now I see your face, man.
Huh?
Now I see your face.
You see my face?
Yeah, are you Royal Jordanian, eh?
So did you take a glimpse of it?
No, no.
Alright.
You make one video of mine.
Oh, were you the guy with
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
Oh, it was
Yeah, I
fantastic.
see your video, man. Really nice. Thank you very much.
Your scooter doesn't have stop and go? No?
Beautiful bike, eh?
Thank you.
It's a different, eh?
Yeah.
It's Kvarna.
See, when I hold the clutch, it starts.
Really?
Yeah. And then I can just go.
Very nice.
I'm just kidding you, I stopped it.
I got a hard gear now.
Yeah. Oh, stop that.
Very nice.
Yours is nice. What's the mileage on that? What's the mileage? 60? Not bad. Very good for the city. Huh? 100? 100 miles an hour. 30, 30. Not bad. I can give you a push if you want. So you have a foot clutch and a manual shift there.
Yeah.
Wow, so nice. What year is this one?
1940.
1940.
All original.
Incredible. Oh, I love the exhaust. Leaf spring suspension. 4 cylinders. Wow. Enjoy it. That's good.
How are you? I went yesterday to, I finished work early and I went to Eastbourne.
Yeah.
A22.
You went to Beachy Head?
What is that?
Beachy Head in Eastbourne.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You'll be there.
Yeah, you go there, it's really nice.
Yeah? Oh man, I love this bike, man.
That's
So
good.
nice. I had a flat tire yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I fixed it. I have this kit with me.
That's good. Right.
How does it compare to a normal bike?
It's a lot of fun.
Are you RJ?
I am RJ, yeah.
Antonio, nice to meet you.
Antonio. So you recognize my voice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it-
Hmm?
900 or 1,000?
So 1301.
You are not him. RJ.
Oh yeah.
You are RJ. Nice to see you, man. Man, I've been watching you for years.
Really?
Yeah, ever since I got a bike. I've had Miser there for 2 years now. I want to get my A2. I'm only 21. I want to get my A2 and get 300.
So that's good.
Yeah.
That gradual thing, we
Exactly.
all started that way. It's my life, man.
I know
You know,
it is, man. It is.
Everybody thinks I do YouTube for a living. I'm actually going into a meeting.
Okay.
I'm 10 minutes early. As always, I'm always early when I'm on bike.
Yeah.
But you know, it's my de-stress. It's something that de-stresses you.
Yeah.
You
I
know?
know, and I try to tell that to everyone. They're like, "Why do you ride bikes? It's so dangerous." I'm like, "It's a stress
completely
relief.
different,
It's
yeah.
you feel free. Do it once big, as loud as I can." Yeah.
If you want to piss off everybody in the street,
I don't mind.
I don't care.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I was riding since I was 9.
9.
Yeah,
Where are you from? Originally.
from Earth.